Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and it's a really cold morning, so today I'm going to show you how to extend the runtime on your remote start. So before we get started with this, please make sure that the vehicle is outdoors, that it's not in a garage. You don't want to have any asphyxiation or problems with the exhaust, so make sure it's out in the open. And you have to have the keyless entries out of the car or this will not work. So if one of your remote fobs is in the car, it won't remote start. So you're going to hit the lock button and hold down the circle button, and that's gonna start the car. So lock, hold the remote start button, the lights will flash, and you can hear how hard it is to start the car, it's so cold. Okay, so now it's gonna run for 10 minutes. Next, you have to wait at least 30 seconds of it idling before going to the next step to extend the run time, or it will not work. So 30 seconds later, we're gonna repeat the same step, and we're gonna hit the lock button, and then we're gonna hold down the remote start, and you'll see the lights flash. And so you'll know that it worked if the lights flashed. Okay, so you can only do this once, and then you'd have to start the car manually. So if you try to remote start it again to extend it, it won't work. Anytime you want to turn it off, just hold the remote start button in the middle and it will turn the vehicle off. Okay, so anyway, please check the video description. I have a ton of videos on how to also engage the heated seats when you remote start it, the cooled seats, how to unlock all the doors at once, which is one of my favorites, how to change the battery itself, how to roll the windows down, and also how to fold the mirrors in, as well as how to change the memory seating by key fob, and some fun ones, whether the car will drive without the key fob, and also how far the key fob reaches. So check the video description. I have all of this in a playlist and many other videos on this car, including changing the struts, fixing the taillights, transmission fluid changes, oil changes, everything like that. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thanks, guys.